Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you the different types of inorganic chemical reactions. You know, the chemical reactions may be divided into two categories, that is inorganic and organic. Here we are interested to deal with the different types of inorganic chemical reactions. Inorganic chemical reactions are broadly divided into 4 or 5 types of chemical reactions, just like combination reactions, decomposition reaction, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and oxidation and reduction reactions. These are the different types of chemical reactions which are to be taught in your class. Now let us see here. We have discussed earlier the chemical reactions. Now I am going to explain you the different types of chemical reactions. See here, combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and oxidation and reduction reactions. Now let us come to learn one by one. So, first of all, I have to deal the combination reaction. Combination reactions are those chemical reactions in which two chemical substances, whether elements or compounds or both, combine together to form a single product. What is this reaction? When two or more chemical substances react together to form a single product, then such type of chemical reactions are called combination reactions. These combination reactions may be further differentiated from each other in 3 different forms, just like the combination of 2 elements to form a single product, the combination of an element and a compound to form a single product, the combination of 2 compounds to form a single product. So first of all, I have to write that what is combination reactions means when 2 pure chemical substances react together to give a single product. The reaction is said to be a combination reaction. See here, when 2 pure chemical substances react together to give a single product, the reaction is said to be a combination reaction. Now, the combination reaction can be of 3 different types. Suppose that type A, combination of combination of two elements to give a single product. In this type of reaction, two elements combine together to form a product, means single product. Just like when magnesium ribbon, this reaction has already been discussed before you earlier, but this is a type of combination reaction. See here, when magnesium ribbon burns in presence of air in Bunsen burner, it gives magnesium oxide, means it is a product, single product, means magnesium plus oxygen, 2 Mg plus O2 gas, this is MgO, 2 MgO, magnesium oxide solid, means magnesium, oxygen and magnesium oxide. There are so many such reactions in which two elements combine together to form a single product. Here magnesium is an element, oxygen is also an element, and these two elements combine together form a single product, that is magnesium oxide, which is a compound of magnesium, means oxide of magnesium. Similarly, when carbon is burnt in air, it forms a compound carbon dioxide. Carbon solid plus oxygen gas, CO2 gas, carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide. These two are chemical elements and carbon dioxide is a product. Carbon and oxygen are elements and carbon dioxide is a product. So this is also a combination reaction in which two elements combine together to form a single product. Now another next type of combination reaction may be combination of an element with a compound. Combination of an element with a compound to give another compound, that is the single product. For example, when carbon dioxide is passed on the red hot carbon, carbon monoxide is generated. C plus CO2, a red hot. Carbon dioxide is a compound, carbon is an element. Here carbon and carbon dioxide combine together to form a single product, that is 2CO, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. So this is an example of combination of an element with a compound. Now third one will be the combination of two compounds to form a single product. Let us see here. C. Combination of two compounds to form a single product. Two compounds to form a single product. For example, if we add calcium oxide into water, calcium hydroxide is formed. The combination of calcium oxide and water to give calcium hydroxide is an example of combination reactions involving two compounds as a reactant. See here, CaO solid plus H2O liquid. When these two reactants react together, they form CaOH whole 2 aqueous. This is calcium hydroxide. A quicklime water. So when quicklime reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide. Another example may be when calcium carbonate gets decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. In the same way, when carbon dioxide gets reacted with carbon dioxide, when gets reacted with sulfur dioxide, when reacted with water. When sulfur dioxide reacts with water, what will happen? We have sulfurous acid, just like SO2 gas plus H2O liquid. We will get H2SO3. This is also a reaction in which two compounds react together to form a single product. SO2 and H2O, H2SO3. So these are the different types of combination reactions. Now next is the displacement reaction. Now I am going to explain you the displacement reaction, what is a displacement reaction and what are their common examples. So second type of chemical reactions are displacement reactions. Displacement reactions. As the term signify itself, displacement means if a particular element is displaced by some other element from a reactant during the chemical reaction, such type of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Means a reaction A reaction in which one element is displaced or removed by another element from the molecule of a compound is known as displacement reaction. Is known as displacement reaction. Have you followed? See here, I have written here that a reaction in which one element is displaced by another element. One element is displaced by another element from a compound during the reaction is known as or called a displacement reaction. There are so many such inorganic chemical reactions in which one element can displace another element from its compound. How? See here. Displacement reaction. Very common example of displacement reaction. When copper turnings is added to a silver nitrate solution. When a copper turning is added to a silver nitrate solution, what happens? Silver is displaced from the copper sulfate, from the silver nitrate solution. Here, copper is more reactive than silver. That is why more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its compound in aqueous medium.